Hey guys, what's up? This is Riya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 10 festive makeup products which are ideal for the upcoming festivals like Navratri, Diwali, Christmas, New Year's, etc. We have so many festivals lined up in the upcoming months and all of these products are going to come really handy for all those festivals. The best part is that all of these products are priced somewhere around ₹500, which makes them very affordable. Just one or two products exceed the price range of 500 by a little bit, but I promise they are all below ₹1000, so they are very affordable. They are all very easily available online on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, etc. And these are the products that I use to create this makeup look right here, which is a very wearable, easy, festive look. You can literally wear it for any occasion, for any festival. You can pair it up with any outfit, and it's ideal for all skin tones as well. So yeah, if you want to know all of the products that I use to create this makeup look and which are my top 10 festive makeup product picks, then please keep on watching. So the first product that I have is a skincare product. Now this is Body Cupid 99% pure aloe vera gel. This is clear in color, which means that it does not have any added synthetic colors. This is one of the things that I always look out for while purchasing aloe vera gels, because most of the aloe vera gels in the market are green in color, which means that they have some kind of added synthetic colors. If you look at a natural aloe vera gel right out of a plant, then you will see that it is clear in color. It is supposed to be clear in color, and this one is clear, which makes it 99% pure. Now I like to use this as a skincare base right before I put on makeup. It helps to hydrate my skin, which does not make my makeup look dry or patchy, and it also acts as a primer on my skin. It holds on to the makeup on my skin for a long period of time. Now I have stopped using primer a long time ago, and this is one of the reasons why my makeup just wouldn't last long. But ever since I started using this hack of using aloe vera gel as a base before doing makeup, my makeup does last longer than usual. It does hold my makeup on for a longer time. So it acts as a primer and a moisturizer, which is why I always make it a point to use it as a base for my makeup. So if you have large open pores, then I highly recommend you stop using primer completely, because primers, if used for a prolonged period of time, they can actually make your pores even larger. So instead of using primer, just stick to aloe vera gel, which is a natural product. Especially this Body Cupid aloe vera gel, this is 99% pure and it has zero side effects. I've been using it for a really long time, more than like 2 or 2.5 years, and it works amazingly well for me, not just as a base for my makeup but also as a skincare and a hair care product. And the best part is that this is very affordable. It only retails for ₹399 for this huge 200 ml tube. Now moving on to base makeup, I do understand that a lot of you girls don't really like to wear a full face of heavy base makeup, that is foundation, concealer, etc., especially in this hot weather, especially when you have to carry all of that makeup throughout the day during festivals. I understand it's not really practical. So I have this one-stop product with me which is going to act as a foundation and a concealer for your skin. This is PAC Spotlight Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer which helps to hide all of those dark circles, dark spots and any kind of other blemishes that you have on your skin. You do not even require a foundation underneath this concealer. It is so full coverage, and you can also use it to highlight the high points of your face. It's a waterproof concealer which makes it ideal for the ongoing monsoon, and it is a very long lasting concealer. Once it sets in place, it's not gonna move, it's not gonna budge, and it's gonna last all day long. It also photographs really well, so it's ideal for the festival when you're gonna meet your family and you're gonna click a lot of pictures. It photographs very well. Now PAC is an Indian brand and they have a lot of shades especially tailored for Indian skin tone, so you will definitely find your shade in this concealer. Number 3 on my list is the product that is ideal for all of those girls out there who do not like wearing foundations and concealers at all and just stick to compact powders. Well, I have been there. There was a time when I would only apply compact powder and get done with it. So I have a product which is even better than a compact powder. This is Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation. It has a very beautiful rose gold reflective packaging and it's kind of reflecting on my ring light right now. So the coverage of this is somewhere between a compact powder and a foundation. It's a little more than a compact powder but lesser than a foundation. It comes with a mirror over here, and that's the powder foundation, and it comes with a sponge applicator. So if you use a sponge applicator dry to apply the powder foundation on your skin, then it's going to provide a very sheer coverage. But if you wet the sponge, or if you use a damp beauty blender to apply the powder foundation on your skin, then it's going to give you more of a medium coverage. It does help to hide those dark circles to a certain extent. It does help to mattify your skin, and it is a little long lasting. It lasts on your skin for a good 3 to 4 hours, after which you do have to reapply the powder foundation. But since it's in the form of a compact powder, it's very easy to retouch your makeup with the help of this. The only thing that I don't like about this powder foundation is the shade range. It comes only in 6 shades, which are suitable for fair to medium to slightly dusky skin tones, but not beyond that, which does not really make it suitable for Indian skin tones. For eyeshadows, I have these 6 eyeshadow palettes by Nicka K, but I'm just going to talk about 4 of them. So for eyeshadows, it really depends on if you want a colorful look, or if you want warm tones, cool tones, pink tones, or just neutral tones. It really depends on the kind of occasion or the kind of festival that is there. It really depends on the outfit that you're going to be wearing. So eyeshadow is a very personal choice. So I'm going to give you 4 options. If you want to go colorful, then you can try this Nicka K Birthday Cake eyeshadow palette. It has some very beautiful colors. For people who are more into warmer tones, you can try this Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette by Nicka K. Now my favorite choice of eyeshadow colors are pinks and purples. I feel they look so beautiful. So Nicka K has got me covered for that as well. This is their Sugar Plum eyeshadow palette, and it contains some very beautiful pinks and purples. And the palette that I used to create this look right here, and for people who like to go neutral with their eyeshadow, Nicka K has this Mocha Mix eyeshadow palette, which has very beautiful neutral tones. So all of these palettes retail for rupees 599 each, but they are always available on discounts on Flipkart, Amazon, Hope Makeup even. So you can definitely grab them under rupees 500 on discounts. They are decently pigmented, the colors are so beautiful. The only con is that they do have a little bit of fallout, and you do have to go in like twice or thrice to achieve the perfect intensity of colors. But other than that, they have such beautiful shades in these palettes. I am absolutely in love with these palettes, and I've created so many different looks with the help of these palettes. You're gonna see them very soon. Next up, I have the most beautiful eyeshadow palette with me. Now if you're into glitters and pressed glitters, then this is a palette that you're absolutely gonna love. So this is a Swiss Beauty Twinkle Town palette, and look at how beautiful and glittery the palette is. So these are all of the pressed glitters, and look at how beautiful they are. It is so sparkly and it is so rich. You can use these pressed glitters on top of your shimmer eyeshadow to just make them pop out even more. So these are ideal for the festive season, for the wedding season, and they can increase the glam factor of any eyeshadow look. The best part is that this palette is very affordable. It only retails somewhere around 550 rupees, and it comes with a mirror of its own. The packaging is so beautiful, the colors are so beautiful. So I highly recommend you check this palette out for the festive season. For highlighter options, I have one of the most affordable highlighters in the market. This is by In Color. It's their baking highlighter, and look at how gorgeous that is. So the shade that I have is called One High Beam, and this comes in over like 10 or 12 different shades. They have silver, they have champagne, pink, bronze, gold, and so many colors to choose from. And the highlighter is really beaming. It is a very blinding highlighter if you layer it up twice or thrice, but if you just apply it like once, then it gives you a very beautiful sheen on your skin. It does have the tiniest bits of shimmer in it, but it does not look chunky. Instead, it looks very beautiful on the skin. Next up is a product that's going to come handy for most of you girls out there. So a lot of beauty influencers and YouTubers, including me, apply eyelashes for pretty much all occasions, which isn't really practical, which isn't really possible for most of you girls, because it's really hard to apply lashes. It requires a lot of time, especially if you're a beginner at it, and it's not really practical to apply lashes for all occasions. So I have this product with me which is going to give you those eyelashes wala drama on your lashes without having to go through the hassle of applying lashes. So this is Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, and as the name says, it does give you a falsies kind of an effect on your lashes. It gives you amazing length. This is not a volumizing mascara, it's a lengthening mascara, and it gives you so much length that it will look like you're wearing some eyelashes. Also, the wand of this mascara is like very thin, and the bristles are also very tiny, which makes it very easy to apply on your bottom lashes as well. The packaging of this mascara is also super duper cute, and it is very affordable. Since we are talking about eyes, I have these beautiful eyeliners with me. These are Miss Claire Pearl eyeliners. I have 4 shades: pink, gold, silver and black, and they come in over like 20 to 30 different shades. They have reds, blues, greens and basically all colors. They are so affordable. They only retail for rupees 250 each, and they are long lasting. They are water resistant, not waterproof. The wand of these eyeliners is also really easy to work with. They have so many different finishes. Like the black one is matte, the pink one is shimmer, and the silver and the gold ones are glitter. So they have amazing finishes, amazing colors. The price point is also very affordable, and you can find them online as well as in local stores near you. For lipsticks, my current favorite affordable lipsticks are these Nykaa Matte to Last Mini Liquid Lipsticks. These retail somewhere around rupees 250 only. They come in over 20 beautiful shades, and they have shades for all skin tones. They have some very beautiful reds, pinks, nudes, etc. These are 3 of my favorite shades. The first one is called Bombay, which is a very beautiful nude color. This one is suitable for fair to medium skin tone. If you have medium to dusky skin tone, then you can try Madras Kapi, which is again a very beautiful nude color. My second favorite color is this one, which is called Chai, which is a very beautiful brown color. It's gonna act as a nude for people with dusky to deeper skin tones. It's very beautiful. And my third favorite color is a very festive bright plum color. This is called Kaveri. The reason why I recommend you try out the mini versions and not the full-sized ones are because you can get 2 lipsticks at the price of 1 if you use the mini liquid lipsticks. And the last product on my list is something that's gonna make your makeup last long, because you have to survive the entire day wearing all of that makeup during festivals. So this is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Makeup Setting Spray. This is very affordable. It retails for 499 rupees only. It makes your makeup last really long. It helps to fix your makeup. It helps to melt it. It helps to get rid of the patchiness and the powderiness of your makeup, and it makes your makeup look more dewy and more natural and just seamless on your skin. So this is one of the best makeup fixing sprays out there, and it is so affordable. So those were my 10 festive makeup picks, and those were the products that I used to create this makeup look right here. If you want to see a tutorial of this look, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll definitely post a video tutorial for you guys. And yeah, if you found this video helpful and if you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Riya Shah Talwar. I will leave the direct link to my Instagram handle in the description box below, so you can check that out. And yeah, but that's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.